Alright guys, so let's talk about something, alright, about Dota 2. So I want to give someone an item. For example, I want to give this. Okay, you got a lot of hair. And as you can see, it said send a friend to receive this gift. Now seeing a friend, learn more about gift restriction. All of your friends are available for gifting, gift away. But it's still showing this message, which is really frustrating. And every time I click it, it say this. And I guess it's just me who's happening this problem. This is so frustrating. I'm so frustrated right now, and it's not even funny. So yeah, I guess those who are watching this video, they might also have the same problem. So if you just like comment below, so I would like know that it's not only me this problem facing right now. So yeah, that's all I want to say in this video. There's nothing I can say right now. I just wanna gift someone with my alternate ID. So yeah,